Hi, this is a E450 6.8 liter engine. I'm gonna replace the rear caliper. I put the jack right there, and on the side is the jack stand. Right there, make sure you put the jack stand too. Don't rely on only jack. And see, I put this breaker bar I had, and I just pull like this. It's going up tire. So see, this come outside the vehicle. Then you have enough space to push this, so tire can go up. See this? The tire already went up. That's all you need. You need a little bit high. Now I'm gonna open this tire, the lug nut. There's a 28 millimeter right here. So you need to open. It should be like this. One in here, one in there, but it's fell. So now only nut left. So I'm gonna open 28. Extension. You can do by hand also. See, this is coming out. After that, it just came out because there's no nut in here. Basically, just pull it, and you just need to open this, and this one as well. Though this one you can open with the big screwdriver. See, or like this. Just loose it out like this. Just came out. So these are 22 millimeter. See, 22. Just open all this. So all nut is open. Now I'm gonna pull the tire. There's a two tire. So one tire is, you see the orientation, this go like this. The other one is opposite, you see. Yeah, let me show you one thing. When you put the tire back, you see this is the lug nut. You tie it in here. You see a little knob right here. So it has to be matched right there, otherwise it's not going to fit all of this. So remember this pin have to be right here out. This is the perfect time if you want to change the brake. You can change the brake too. So to open the caliper, there's a little cap for the bolt. You take the cap off. See the cap? There's one cap in here. The other one is right here. You see that this is a 3/8 Allen key. See this 3/8. See this speed. Little by little like this, but it takes forever. That's why I cut in here. Let me show you. I make the tool, my own tool. So this is the I cut it from the 3/8 in. See here, this one. I pull this, and this is a 10 millimeter. Fit perfectly, so I can open more easily. See, just make life easier. Otherwise, you need it all day. And other side, you need, and definitely you need like this. You have to cut it, or otherwise it will be very tight. The other side. This side you have a little bit of room, but other side no room. See, I can open with the hand now. Same thing on the bottom. Open the bottom one, and let's see. See, this one is open too. You don't have to pull all the way out. Just leave it like this. Oh, you have to take the caliper out, but it's not coming out because you need to push this with something.
You have to push the pistol inside.
Inside. See now, you take the caliper out. It's 22 millimeter.
One 22 millimeter over here. Another 22 millimeter in the bottom. So we need to
Make sure you put the grease on here when you buy the brake pad. They give you the grease right like this, and here. Times, so make sure it's go in and out. Same the other side, other one, same thing.
the bracket ball on the top, bracket ball on the bottom. So we need to tighten it up. 2 bolts.
Tight this ball and this one. Then make sure before you start the vehicle, you have to pump the brake couple times. Make sure it's hard. Otherwise, the vehicle not gonna stop. So be careful, guys. Make sure before you start, pump the brake until it get harder. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.